If you're tired of seeing reels on Facebook and want to turn them off, this guide will walk you through what you can actually do.
First time ko nag-drive.
So, first, it's important to understand one thing: Facebook does not currently allow you to completely turn off reels. So, there's no official setting that removes them entirely from the app. But don't worry, there's a few simple ways to reduce or hide them so they stop showing up as often. So, let's start with the easiest method. So, open Facebook app
First time ko nag-drive ani nga way.
and scroll through your feed until you see a reel or short video. You can also tap on the reel button. Now, next, what you need to do is tap on the three dots. Then a menu will appear. So from there, tap on hide reel or show less. So this will immediately remove that reel from your feed and help Facebook understand that you don't want to see similar content.
Ay, that's it.
Ayos ka kuya.
You can repeat this step for multiple reels. So the more you hide, the fewer you'll see over time. Next, you can also reduce reels by adjusting your feed behavior. So, whenever you see reels from certain pages or people, avoid interacting with them.
Yo.
So, don't like, comment, or watch fully. Facebook's algorithm learns from your activity, so ignoring reels helps reduce how often they appear. Another useful option is turning off autoplay. So, to do this, tap the menu icon on Facebook, scroll down and go to Settings. Now, look for Media or Preferences. And from there, find the autoplay option and set it to never. This won't remove reels completely, but it will stop them from playing automatically, which makes them much less distracting. Next trick you can also try. So, on some versions of the app, you can customize your navigation bar. So, go back to settings and look for tab bar or navigation bar. So, from here, you may be able to hide or remove the reels or video tab completely. So, while this doesn't remove reels from your feed, it prevents you from accessing them directly. So, while you can't fully turn off reels on Facebook, you can hide them, reduce how often they appear, and control how they behave.
Exploring Cebu.
And if you consistently use these steps, you'll notice a big difference in your feed over time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.